कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very warm welcome to all our dear friends. Franchise India teams welcome all of you to our digital show under Business Opportunity Over Chai. This is a 45-minute session where we will take you through the business opportunity which we are presenting for all. We'll first take the correct and the complete understanding from our brand side. Then we'll move towards a panel discussion where we will take all your queries. So we
Good afternoon, all. Sorry, we face little network problem at Archana's side. So may I invite Mr. Solomon and Mr. Ali Akbar to take the opportunity ahead and help us understand this business opportunity here. So Solomon, Mr. Ali, over to you.
Yes, a very good morning to all of you.
So you're audible. You can continue. Audience is there to understand the opportunity.
We wholeheartedly welcome to the world of JAGS Global Express Private Limited. We are a team of people who had earlier worked in a company called First Flight Couriers for last 32 years. And now we had, after First Flight has diversified, so we have started on our own, and this company started in the year 2019. In last 2 years, we have successfully come across 2 lockdowns, and we have been still sailing. Hopefully, we would like to recognize ourselves as the best Indian courier company. So I'd like to tell about my company as a small presentation. Yes. Uh, we are a team of professionals. We have around 54 people on board spread across India, and we have registered this company is called JAX Global Express Private Limited. We placed ourselves in the market in 2019. We started our corporate office in Chennai, and now we are moving. We have our own offices across India: Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata, and all other places. Um, we have a wide experience of more than 30 years. It's mentioned as 25 years in the industry because we started our grassroots level as a delivery person, and we were able to establish ourselves in first flight. So we have learned from the institution of first flight, and now we have started a company called JAX Global. Now this company has a vision, and our mission statement is this, and our vision statement is this. Okay, we would like to ensure quality living for our own employees, dedicating themselves, to develop this organization. Our products and services are, we give cash on delivery solutions. We are specialized in air deliveries. We have our own tied up with airlines with Indigo, SpiceJet, and Air India. We have our own ever bills, and we work 24 hours for the air cargo services. And we have a specialized product in air cargo is next flight operations, for which we are extending to DHL and for a major pharmaceutical company called Cipla, where we deliver life-saving medicines for DHL with tied up with Roche Diagnostics, where we deliver stents for the major surgeries, and for Cipla for the life-saving drugs. And then we have another product called Cargo, which is diversified into two. One is by train, and the other module is by truck. We deliver within 48 hours to 96 hours anywhere in India through surface mode. Then we have a product in air called door-to-door delivery, which is bulk cargo, which is handled by the manufacturers to their warehouses and to their retail dealers. That is where this door-to-door delivery product is being used. And then we do a reverse logistics product, which means we deliver ATM machines for Hitachi and their spare parts, and then we bring back their old worn out spare parts back to the warehouse. Then know about us. We have about 4,200 during the COVID time, and then we now have about 7,000 pin codes across India where the documents and small parcels are delivered. Now we are target by December is to expand this to 12,000 pin codes. And for air cargo coverage, we have 5,444 pin codes where we directly deliver door to door. At the moment, we have about 10 tons of air load, which is being picked up from Chennai, from Delhi, from Noida, and from Bangalore. Our total volume last month we achieved is 303 tons. This month our target is 500 tons. And we have about 100 key accounts. These are major customers who are tied up with us, like financial institutions, banking sectors, automobile manufacturers, and then pharmaceuticals. And then we have about electronics with Redmi and Nokia. Then all these airlines, we are directly tied up. We carry their own ever bills, and we book direct loads through these airlines. These are some of the major customers given for different industries. We have just launched our surface cargo operations. We are delivering entire south from rest of India loads into south through surface cargo mode. now we are expanding ourselves from Delhi to entire northern India and to northeast region. Northeast is we have 7 states from Guwahati, Asansol, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, all these places. And our aim is to increase our operational manpower because we had about 18,000 employees working in First Flight. Now, our aim is to have more than 18,000 employees under our roof. This is our future. And our target is to ensure, like a local Indian post office, every pin code there will be a JAX Global office. And then next year, God willingly, we would like to have our own office international. Our first branch we are targeting is USA. And by every 3 months, we would be having our own offices international across the world. And then our final aim is by 2024, already there are people to support us to bring the aircrafts, but we are going little slow on that so that we would be having our own aircrafts by 2024. And then we are introducing, like DHL in domestic, we will be the first Indian courier company to have JAX boxes, which will weigh from 500 grams to 25 kgs, which normally DHL does for carrying their international shipments. So we will be the first Indian courier company to offer JAX box for the customers who are retails and for the individuals who would like to share their or transship their boxes, gifts and garments, spices, or whatever it is. So we will be supporting them with a nice packing with our JAX box from 500 grams to 25 kgs. This is our courier office franchisee cost, which includes everything. If the franchisee has to give us a place, and we would have a similar model of standard coloring and features. So it is costing us around 2 lakhs. And there will be a non-refundable amount of 50,000 rupees we are taking. That is a nominal administration fees. The branch setup cost would be 1.5 lakhs, which either the franchisee can handle or we would do it for them, the complete setup. The minimum area required for this place for a pin code, each pin code is from minimum 200 square feet to 500 square feet. Estimated rent can be 15,000 rupees, which the franchisee would take over. This is a new model, which is a hub and RHO franchisee, where initially in the hub, we would put our administration people called the regional headquarters. That franchisee cost would be around 5 lakhs. And the non-refundable deposit is nil because this covers the entire setup of computers, systems, interiors, carpenters, furnitures, air-conditioned hub, all this. So minimum required area is 2,000 square feet. The estimated rent can be 50,000 across pan India. These are our client appreciation letters what we received last year during the lockdown periods. This is what I mentioned about the JAX Global box. And now we are come for the pin code wise, we are introducing this concept called C2C. It is called Cafe to Courier, where any individual, the main intention of this C2C is to expand our network across pan India, where we are targeting 25,000 pin codes, which no courier company will have on their own. And the target time is 2 years. So we would like to establish ourselves across India with 25,000 pin codes. And we are offering this C2C product to any investor who is willing to take in a particular pin code. And this will be a unique concept for the public. Okay, in this you will have we will take care of the data of creating a customer base for them. We would do the selling for them. We would sign the contracts for them, and we would like to do the delivery network for them. At the moment in South, from Kerala, Bangalore, and Chennai, we are tied up with a company called Laza. It's a Kerala-based company where they support us in giving us the ice creams, milkshakes, and fruit salads and faludas. And we have another company called Dosai where they're tied up with us for their snacks and sandwiches and fried items. So when a customer walks into a courier office where would like to book shipments, they can relax in our place where they find exclusive ice creams, coffees, teas, and snacks. This is our motto where when people come into our courier office, they can relax as a cafe, they can use our Wi-Fi, they can we are planning to tie up with other companies to provide stationaries. Normally when a person comes into a courier office, they come empty-handed and they would say that they would like to book a parcel. This is our experience last 30 years. So generally what people tell is they would like to, if they want to take a photocopy or they want a gift wrapper or they want a stapler, anything if they don't bring, Jax is ready there to supply everything on a minimal cost. And the customer is ready to pay for this, but generally the courier companies don't provide all this. So we are negotiating with ITC to give all these stationery materials displayed. And in South, there is one more company which has offered a product called Magnesa, which is led by a guy called Feroz Khan. He is displayed in our model branch from cosmetics to hygienic requirements of the public and tonics and some pharmaceutical items, things like that. So if people come in there, they can even buy these things at a very, very nominal price. So we don't only sell courier, the investor gets all this as a pack. Now, why C2C? A person who would like to invest with us gets less labor dependency because we take care of the manpower, operations, and selling. We only request the investor to be there in the branch to monitor this and to check whether the accounting system is being maintained. We would like to have a transparent management offering to the investor. And this would be our branch outlook setup and the inside setup. There will be an ice cream candy cafe, and the backside we would have coffee and tea. There will be a separate partition for a courier counter where people come in, but it is within the cafe. This is a total investment the person has to do it. We give a bank a minimum guarantee of 20,000 rupees from the 90th day. We would like 3 months for us to establish ourselves in that PIN code, and the person gets deliveries into that PIN code. He delivers documents and parcels and cargo. At the same time, he books shipments across India. And from the 91st day, if we are not able to generate this kind of profits, we assure 20,000 rupees as a minimum payback guarantee. These are the small breakups which he had given for an investor, that this would be the nominal bare minimum expenses which is going to happen every month, including the profits we have shared. All this would be handled by Jax. The investor we request the investor to monitor this and ensure it doesn't exceed more than this. The roles and responsibilities of a franchisee. The shop timings, basically, it should be opened in the morning, kept the place clean, and the maintenance of the branch. Maybe there's some light faults, electrical problems, things like that. We should coordinate with our staff to get things, in place every day. and build a relationship management where he may have a lot of customers. As an investor, he may have friends, relatives working in corporates, where he can give us the lead so that our sales team would go and close contracts as per the price fixed depending on their potential. And he has to ensure the billing and accounts is being maintained properly by our staff and ensure the brand in-store things are kept in place. Then he has to support us in our background operations, like the products, maintenance, the vehicle which is kept on time for pickups, dispatch the loads on time for connections, and the vendor management inventory like snacks will come, ice creams will come, milkshakes will come, all this stuff. And then ensure our, as per the company policy, whatever payroll has to be made and it is paid out to the employees on time. And to our vendors, like land, also knows to pay the rent on time, to pay the electricity on time, and real regular day-to-day operational expenses. These are all developed from the business, what is earned from the particular branch. He doesn't have to spend from his pocket. Whatever operation expenses are will be spent from this earnings. And by the time after 3 months, he should be in a comfortable position to know what is courier and logistics and deliveries on time. This is a small presentation what we are offering now. Any questions? You may go ahead.
Thank you, Mr. Solomon. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सभी फ्रेंड्स जो ज्वाइन किए हैं हमारे साथ. ये एक बहुत अच्छा अवसर है, बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है मार्केट में, एंड इट इज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम कि कोई कोरियर कंपनी इतनी एश्योरेंस के साथ आपको मिनिमम गारंटी भी दे रही है. इसमें दो मॉडल जो मिस्टर सोलोमन ने एक्सप्लेन किए हैं, वो बेसिकली जो कोरियर लाइन से जुड़े हैं वो जानते होंगे कि इसमें एक तो कोरियर का रेगुलर बिजनेस है जिसमें कि आप एक यूनिट या ब्रांच जिसे आप कह सकते हैं वो चलाने का मौका आपको मिल रहा है, प्लस साथ में अगर कोई आप बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना चाह रहे हैं तो हब के मॉडल में आप जा सकते हैं. इस मॉडल के अलावा आपके पास अनदर अपॉर्चुनिटी जो ये C2C की लेके आए हैं, विच इज ऑल्सो वेरी यूनिक. दिस इज फर्स्ट टाइम इन द हिस्ट्री वेर इन कोरियर कंपनी ने कोई ये नया कॉन्सेप्ट स्टार्ट किया है. इसमें कैफे आपको ओपन करने के लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी. आपका रीजनल ब्रांड आपके साथ इनके साथ जुड़ेगा अंडर वन अम्ब्रेला. देयर विल बी टू अपॉर्चुनिटीज जिसमें कि एक कैफे भी आप ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं और कुरियर बिजनेस भी ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं. कुरियर बिजनेस जैसे कि जो लोग कुरियर से जुड़े हैं वो जानते होंगे कि पिन कोड वाइज डिलीवरीज इनकमिंग और आउटगोइंग का बिजनेस है. इसमें जो मॉडल इन्होंने बनाया है दैट इज ऑन रेवेन्यू शेयरिंग मॉडल, जिसमें कि आपको ये चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है कि मुझे डे टू डे एक्सपेंसेस कैसे मैनेज करने हैं, ऑपरेशन कैसे रन करना है. तो सस्टेनिंग के लिए 3 महीने का जो इन्होंने जेस्टेशन दिया है, अगर 3 महीने में भी नहीं आता तो दे आर गिविंग यू द मिनिमम गारंटी. और मिनिमम गारंटी से एक अश्योरेंस हो जाएगा कि आपको कि मुझे कैसे आगे बढ़ना है. तो धीरे धीरे करके आप अपने पिन कोड, अपना एरिया बढ़ा सकते हैं. डिलीवरीज इनकमिंग आपकी उसी के बेसिस पे, आपकी कैपेसिटी के बेसिस पे बढ़ा सकते हैं. एंड इसके अलावा आपके पास बुकिंग आउटगोइंग के लिए भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. जैसे इन्होंने बोला डोमेस्टिक के अलावा डोमेस्टिक के अंदर ही 3 तरीके की अपॉर्चुनिटी है. एक तो रेगुलर एक्सप्रेस जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स और पार्सल आप लोग बुक कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा आपको एयर कार्गो और सरफेस कार्गो की भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी जो कि आपको प्लेटफॉर्म रेडीमेड मिलेगा. और ऑपरेशनली आप लोगों को बिल्कुल चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज दे आर सीजन्ड इनफ, एक्सपीरियंस इनफ, और बैक एंड सपोर्ट सारा कंपनी की तरफ से दिया जाएगा. टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज दे हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट अ वेरी गुड सॉफ्टवेयर. सारा अपडेशन जो कि मेन क्रक्स जो होता है कोरियर का, दैट इज POD, प्रूफ ऑफ डिलीवरी. इस पे इनका सारा फोकस है. दे आर गोइंग टू गिव प्रूफ ऑफ डिलीवरी, POD, अपडेशन ऑन द वेबसाइट डायरेक्टली, सो वन कैन इजीली ट्रैक. जो कोरियर लाइन से जुड़े हुए हैं उनको ये बातें सब समझ में आएंगी, लेकिन जो लोग जुड़ना चाह रहे हैं आई थिंक उनके लिए एक अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है. ये कैफेटेरिया वाला मॉडल है. तो ग्रेजुअली धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे आपका एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ेगा, यू कैन गेट इनटू इट एंड गेट इन्वॉल्व मोर ऑन इट. तो अकबर जी, वुड यू लाइक टू से समथिंग अबाउट योर ब्रांड?
Yes, Rajesh ji. First and foremost, thank you very much for having this Zoom call. My name is Akbar and I am the business director of this company. जैसा हमारे चेयरमैन ने बताया 2019 में हमने ये बिजनेस शुरू किया है, but the fact of the matter is कि we have started in a small way in the year 2015 itself, and then slowly and steadily we regularized it to such an extent that in 2019 we had the capacity and the capability to pool in funds from our own side and probably get into making this company as a private limited organization. और जैसा हमारे चेयरमैन ने बताया है, all possible support जो इंडस्ट्री में है उनके लिए, आई मीन जो इन्वेस्टर्स आने वाले हैं उनके लिए, जो इंडस्ट्रीज में नहीं है और इन्वेस्ट करने का सोच रहे हैं, we will probably definitely by all possible means extend support and एक open door escalation का पॉलिसी हम फॉलो करते हैं. तो जहाँ पे एनी क्वेश्चन, कुछ भी अगर हो, कुछ क्लैरिफिकेशन हो, आप चेयरमैन से डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो, आप फ्रेंचाइज इंचार्ज अपने राजेश जी से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो, आप मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. We will ensure that we will answer all your queries, and then we will ensure that you are satisfied, you are happy, and then we can probably look at the investment process. So this is what I wanted to say. Any questions agar ho to aap you can give it out to the chairman, give it out to Rajesh ji, give it out to me. We will definitely answer all your queries. We are there always for you. चाहे फिर वो जैक्स ग्लोबल का मॉडल हो या चाहे फिर वो C2C का मॉडल हो, we will definitely answer all your queries on the show and even off the show at times in case you come up with certain questions or certain suggestions or certain doubts whenever it is required. Thank you very much.
So thank you so much, Ali sir. Now we invite Sonia ma'am to share her input as well as her questions. Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for joining in. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ashna. Thank you so much, Ali Akbar ji and Solomon ji. It was a very, I would say, swift presentation. And I also see a lot of questions coming in. And friends, Rajesh, she is a very senior consultant with Franchise India. And he's also working with the team of C2C and JAX. And he will also work with all the investors who have come onto the show. Now, before we start, Solomon ji, I will also, I do see a lot of questions coming in. At the same time, I will also request you to pick as many questions as we can for the interest of our investors. And the business model has been, I would say, summarized very well by Rajesh ji. And so, friends, there are two models we are considering between the cafe model, and the other is your regular logistics model, which comes with both hub and spoke structure. So, Solomon ji, my first question would be, because logistics, and this is one category I would say where we have received a very, very, not only received, we keep receiving, in fact, every day, a lot of inquiries which come from this sector. So my pehla jo questions which I would want to take is, how is on the competition landscape, and if you understand there's a big competition in this industry, would you want to comment on how we are different from the competition in terms of I would say the penetration, or perhaps even the business model, pricing structure that we have, and what is the kind of differentiation that we are offering to our end consumer through our two models?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. First of all, I would like to tell, we have come across a lot of issues when we had been working in a company called FirstFlight. It was a very big brand which we brought it up to from the grassroots level. And we have learned that from that institution. The three major requirements of the customer, which is not fulfilled at this moment by customers, is first thing is the proof of delivery. Today, courier companies have come across saying, because of technology shift and all that, they are saying we will give delivery updates in the website. But we would like to share the realistic image of the document where they sign, they receive at what time, who is the receiver name, what's the phone number, what is the relationship. It is not only meant for securitized item. Even if they are able to get a toy for their kid, or a regular statement of their banking statements. So they can just track the number in the website, and every day they can see a message coming into their mobile. If they are willing to offer their share their mobile number, we would give them a pre-alert where is the document or where is your parcel is lying. And then we would update once they receive it. Suppose a customer sending a parcel to a gift to his daughter. Okay, as soon as she signs and receives it, the boy just clicks it on his mobile app, and the POD gets updated on the website. Suppose we want it has to be shared to their WhatsApp or to any social thing, we would, if they give them the number, we would share it in their numbers also. This is the first and most unique thing which we would like to come. We are giving 100% PODs to our customers. That is, there will be a website. Once you track in our website, there will be a light showing as a symbol, the red light. If there is a red light, that means the shipment is still not delivered and the POD is not updated. Suppose that symbol gets into green, so you can see the original POD, what time it is delivered, what time the person has received it. If there's any remarks saying that he has received it in short condition or in a damaged condition, also the customer is given the privilege to write it on the POD. Or they can give their appreciation in the comments of the POD. Yes, we received it on time. We received it before that. The second most important thing which we are trying to focus in JAX is we would like to give 24/7 services. That is why we are introducing the system called Next Flight Office, wherein we would like to focus on the pharmaceutical division, the hospital division, where the life-saving drugs, which is going to be the major requirement of our public, wherein they would like to receive their things from across India. So that is what we are focusing on 24/7 into the next flight operations. The third most important is we would like to go very close to the customer by increasing our network of 25,000 pin codes. So each pin code, they know, okay, it's like a grocery shop. If they want to buy something, yes, I know this money shop, I can go and buy from there. Or I call him, he will come and deliver it. That's how we would like to place ourselves very close to the residents and to the corporates. So anytime they can reach us, because these offices are going to function 24 hours. There we are trying to take permission, and definitely when there is a cafe, we can extend up to 11 o'clock, and early morning we can start the cafe, and the courier loads will start coming in. So we would like to place ourselves very close to the customer. These are the major three strategic things which we are planning.
So, anything? All right. Sure. Please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. These are the things which we are focusing.
I'll take one more question, and then I will also request Rajesh, if you want to pick. I see a lot of questions which I see coming in the Q&A, and I'll request Rajesh to take these questions. And one question, Solomon ji, which I would want to ask is, we've talked about the business model starting from 2 lakhs, going up to 5 and 6 lakhs for a cafe to courier model. Would you also want to maybe give some understanding on the breakup of the entire investment? And logistics comparatively is considered one industry which is comparatively, I would say, less on initial investment, but one can only survive if the volumes are big. So this is a big volume business, and one ideally should be able to reach that volume to sustain in the business. So my first question would be, if we can perhaps explain a little bit on the breakup of the entire investment that we're talking about. Is there any refundable security also that we are charging in any of these models? And my second question is maybe, also on the operating margins that we have in the business, and would these margins improve if there is a bulk business coming to a partner? Over to you, sir.
Yes. See, initially, why we are charging 2 lakhs is nothing is to the JAX. It is only to set up the place neat as a standard format across India. So the color of the place, the door of the place, the table, furniture, the uniforms, whatever we are going to offer, that is what is coming to 1.5 lakhs. We are taking only a 50,000 rupees as a security deposit. And for that also, we are issuing the consignment notes for booking of cash. So this 50,000 rupees is going to be on a rotation front. And the balance thing, we give the option to the investor where we will give the model, color, and things like that. And this is the expectation specs which has to be in place. Either he spends on that or he gives it to us, so we do it on a faster pace. That is the main intention, because once the investor gives us the check, on the 10th day, we would like to hand over the key to him. So within 10 days, he starts the business. So on the day one, if he's interested in issue and signing the agreement, we put our sales force in that particular area to sign contracts as far as the key, small retail business outlets and corporate companies or factories surrounding that particular area. So that within 90 days, he realizes the payment of that credit customer. And from the 91st day, we ensure that business profit is being shared. And you can very well transparently, you can monitor the salespeople who are working before he takes the key to open the office. Within the 10 days, we ensure we would like to sign that particular area, at least 1 or 2 customers. So from the day one, he sees business as far as the courier is concerned, and we ensure from our corporate that deliveries are done in that particular area. So from the day one, he knows for sure, yes, I opened an office and he's doing some activity over there. And from the day one, he can invite his friends for, to come and relish in the cafe, and they can buy the products, and we can deliver snacks at home. We can deliver ice cream. Instead of calling through Swiggy and Zomato, our intention is to we deliver this food product without any extra cost.
Sure, Solomonji, that was very helpful. And Rajeshji, can I also request if we can take some questions maybe on the rollout locations, and also because we understand logistics businesses pin code dependent, and we typically give geographies which are based on pin code, and sometimes certain pin codes might not have a very big potential. So companies even club couple of pin codes together so that there's substantial business. So Rajeshji, would you want to maybe take it up from here? And I also see some questions coming in.
Sure,
I would
sure,
request
sure.
if you can lead from here. Hanji,
Sure, sure, sure. I'll take it up. So, Mr. Solomon, the one question which is coming very prominently, what I can say is people are asking for the opening up of your more units, possibilities about the hubs and all. So, are you planning to roll out in a phased manner, or you have specific pin codes which you are targeting in the initial stage?
So at the moment, we can share our pin codes where we make use of our delivery partners to deliver. Now, we have no particular specification across India. If people are interested, if they have a place, we have a team where they can go and identify the place. The place is okay or not, we can recommend them, or we can suggest them this would be the potential place where you can have an office.
So who is going to do the recce, the first-hand recce or information about the pin code or the area what you have to select? Is there any of your team member will be visiting and finalizing the place?
Yes, sir.
All right.
There is a team of people across India, locally set up. So they would be visiting the place and they would take the videos and photos, and they would definitely take a survey within 24 hours, whether that area is potential or not, and they would work along with the investor.
So there are queries like Ms. Sonia was asking, was telling that there are few pin codes where we don't have much potentials. And supposing if we come across the opportunity for a unit franchise in a remote location, do we have a hub and spoke kind of model? Say few queries are there from UP region, right? So do we have any bigger hub in UP region, UP East region?
At the moment, we don't have an hub and spoke model. If there are investors who would like to take it up, they can take up UP East separately, UP West separately.
UP West?
Yes.
Okay. And how about Punjab and Haryana locations?
Punjab and Haryana, you can always decide, sir, because Punjab and Haryana is two different sides. From Gurgaon to Chandigarh, we can always split the two hubs, Haryana for separately and Punjab separately.
Okay. Do we have any hub in Gurgaon as asked by one of the investors?
At the moment, we don't have. We have a small hub where it is only for our load delivery.
Okay. And how much time it is required to set up a unit? How company is going to support?
So if the place is ready, we come and inspect the place. That is the first option. And then we take 24 hours to survey that particular area, whether it is good or it will be, maybe a slight changes in the place where not in this road or on the main road where there's some recognition is to be done. All that we takes only 24 hours to 48 hours. So on the third day, we tell the investor these are the things which we are planning to do. And if the investor says, okay, this is the amount spent has to be spent. Either he pays it directly to us, or if he has his own set of team where he can say, okay, you give the color specs, we will do it for you. It's their time. But if it is given to us, it has to be completed within 2 weeks' time, maximum 10 to 15 days, if there is any natural calamity.
10 to 15 days.
Yes.
Okay. So another question which is coming up, like in case if somebody is already doing a courier business, are you ready to give a franchise to them also?
Yes, sir, but they have to work only for us.
So in that case, only one franchisee will work, or one company will work.
Yes, sir, because we have a spec, color spec, we have a model like international standards. So we would like to offer to the investor who's really wholeheartedly believing us, and they would like to grow along with.
All right. And for the people who are not experienced in this particular field, but still they want to get into it, and do you have any special qualification assigned for them that they should be pre-qualified?
So initially, we would give them a training for 1 month.
Okay.
The investor would be given a basic product knowledge of what is courier, what is a cafe, and what is talking about. We're talking about food. Food is a big ocean where we can have from a samosa to anything. So generally the customers know what is food is all about. So how hygienic it has to be maintained, how the people has to be served. It has to be in a star category. The cafe, even though it is a 200 square feet, it should be looking very, very posh in that particular area, so that people get attracted. The kids get attracted. The old elderly people get attracted. So they just call us up, and then we deliver food for them. And we go to their doorstep. Even a normal cover which they has to be sent to their kids and kins, we would be there to pick it up from the residence and deliver it. And in the long run, in the long run, once we set up branches, suppose a customer wants during festival time or any birthdays or occasions, any sweet, any savory, any food can be transferred from any part of India to that particular place. And the similar thing can be happen vice versa. For example, there is a laddu from Tirupati has to come to Chandigarh. It is possible by us.
Okay. And how about the supply chain management? How are you going to supply? Supposing if you have one unit there in Amritsar, one in Chandigarh, one in Jalandhar and Ambala, and on the other side at Dehradun and all. So since you are saying in the cafe, how are you going to make your supplies possible there?
Sir, I will tell you. This is we are focusing on the local suppliers of that particular area who is specialized in some sweets, or some savory, or some food which is very unique for that particular area. People like that kind of food. So we would like to have the vendors tied up with them so that they get fresh food every day made, and it is being sold to the market. And similarly for ice creams and milkshake, it can be in a kulfi or it can be a cone where it is easily available to the customer.
So this part of the process will be done by the company?
Yes, sir. Of course, with your help.
So franchise.
Yeah, I'm meaning franchise in India also.
Oh, yeah, I understand. All right. One more second, because there are many questions which have come up. Okay, Mr. Solomon, there's one question which is left unanswered. There is one investor who wants some more elaboration explanation on the cafe to customer. So can you cafe to courier. So you can explain it once again.
Yes, sir. See, the cafe to courier concept is something where an investor gets not only courier business, he also gets an additional income of just sitting in the office. People come in and go. There will be a lot of things available in the company, in the courier office. First of all, the strength of this courier to cafe is to expand the courier network so we cater any possibilities of receiving from across India as of now and from across the world in the future. He's sitting at one place, he can order anything he wants and he gets it to his residence. This is the model of a courier. So we are extending that to their day-to-day benefits of enjoying an ice cream or enjoying a food or enjoying any part of Indian sweets or anything if they want chocolates during festival time or during birthdays or during their celebrations at home, or they have a wedding at home, we can supply in a bulk quantity at a very nominal price ice creams and things like that, or a welcome drink, engagements at home, ceremonies at home. Everything is possible through this cafe. So he has a wide range of relatives living with him in that particular area or his friends. So his business opportunities are very high because everyone uses his food and beverages every day. So for them, it is easy for them to sell this in the market along with a courier. And because we deliver and we pick up shipments only not only for residents and corporates, we can even deliver food and beverages at home.
Okay, that's very great. And one more question from Hitendranath from Mumbai. He's asking about the profit expectation from this cafe to courier business. How much do you rate on a projection side that how much will be on an average will be the profit of a franchisee?
I'll tell you, sir, the fixed cost we have explained in the prospect, and the minimum courier business for a particular pin code, in my experience across India, I have worked in the last 32 years, a small remote branch can do 1 lakh rupees as far as the courier is concerned. And in this, 20% is the margin, which we normally keep last 30 years. The 10% is given to the customer, investor, the 10% is to the company. It is 50-50. Or 20% margin, 50% to the company, 50% to the investor. So he gets easily, if he does 1 lakh rupees business, 10,000 rupees is profit as far as courier, the lowest margin I'm saying. Apart from this, he can sell ice cream milkshakes. So the minimum he can get is 20,000 rupees when he invests 5 lakh rupees. If it is in a bank, he gets a monthly of 3,500 or 4,000 rupees maximum, even though if he's a senior citizen. But here he makes 20,000. And we assure you that we work together along with the investor and we ensure that this is a transparent. He sees that every day. Because we are going to appoint people who are specialized in courier. So the sales team will work in a particular region wholeheartedly as a campaigning. We will sign contracts and we will show him this is the profit each customer. And the contract copies are going to be given. Once he collects the payment, the profit he takes and balance he transfers. Because here, as a courier, we are investing for their dispatch, for their pickup, and up to the delivery. We do all this. That is why we are sharing 50-50.
Okay, that's a really unique idea what you have floated into the market. I think it is going to create ripples. And how about the recruitment part? Who's going to recruit on behalf of franchisee?
So there are two things, sir. Wherever we are able to give local people, I would like to bring in a thing called women empowerment in our company, where every investor should support on this. If there is a lady, a widower, or a single parent, or anybody who would like to place themselves to take care of themselves as a standalone, they have to work on their own. They have to prove in this world. So we give opportunities to these kind of ladies where they work from morning 8 o'clock to 8 o'clock or from 9 o'clock to 9 o'clock. As per the areas concerned. There are some areas where you see morning people walking and going so they can pick up some snacks. Anything in this cafe is possible. We don't stop to anything if the investor wants to run. You can sell stationaries so that we give women empowerment. If the person is a very influential person, he can support us on manpower. Or we also try and recruit through some agencies or through people whom we know. This is the basic.
That's really appreciable that you are giving a lot of focus towards women empowerment. And are you open for area franchisee or master franchisee also?
Yes, sir. In fact, we would like to offer people If a franchisee is if an investor is interested in taking a particular 10 pin codes, it would be easy for him also to monitor all the 10 offices. And at the same time, we will have less investors with more powerful. So we would like to give area offices also across pan India.
Okay, really thankful to you for a very informative session. Over to you, Archana. You have any questions, please?
No, thank you so much, Rajeshji, for taking all the queries. Specific query I don't have as such, but before we would definitely like to have a closing remarks from Solomon sir, from Ali sir, and obviously from Rajesh sir.
Yes, Archana. Thank you all. Thank you so much. I had a very real wonderful time last 2 days in the stall. It was a learning lesson for me. In fact, it's the first time I'm attending an investors meet, and definitely, we would correct ourselves in the future. We had a very good positioning of our stall. Thank you once again to Franchisee India. And Mr. Rajesh sir, I would like to thank you for giving us a good opportunity like this. Definitely, we would like to work along with you so that I grow and we prove ourselves that we are one of the biggest courier network in India, and we serve the nation by giving more opportunities to people who are really suffering in this country. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Akbar, you would like to?
Ali sir.
You're on mute.
Yeah. Yes, it is rest assured that as a business director, all possible assistance wherever, whenever required, on behalf of the organization, the chairman and myself will definitely render to the investors, and you can take this as a 100% guarantee and surety. On behalf of Franchise India, I would like to thank Ms. Sonia, Ms. Archana, and Rajesh ji. Thank you very, very much for all the support. We do look forward from, a lot more from you and from Franchise India. And hopefully, God willingly, everything going fine. We'll definitely have a good bond between the organizations and between the investors as well. So thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Akbar. Thank you, Mr. Solomon. Once again, to all the investors who have logged in, this is a wonderful opportunity which has been brought into the courier segment. It has got both cafe model and a courier model. Courier model is a regular model which everybody is aware about. Those who are already into courier business, they can have another franchisee of JAGS Global and be a part of this growing family. And I would urge that since the investment is too small, it is not a very big investment. बहुत बड़ी investment नहीं है, 5 लाख रुपए से आपका business start हो जाएगा. और अगर यूनिट फ्रेंचाइजी लेते हैं तो 3.5 लाख रुपए में आपका बिजनेस स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. Feel free to get back to Franchise India, and we'll be more than happy to interact and give you more information about JAGS Global and Cafe to Courier. Thank you very much. Thank you, Archana.
Rajesh ji, one more thing before. Now, while the Q&A was in process, Mr. Navdeep Singh, Mr. Kunj Sukheria, and Anugrag, they were also had some questions placed on the chat. So some of the questions I've already replied to them as well.
Yes,
I think you would have also gotten some information. So
yes,
thank them also for this for participating. And let's see if we could probably get together and make something something big.
Surely we'll get one-on-one. No problem.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure. So thank you so much, Solomon sir. Thank you so much, Ali sir. Thank you so much, Rajesh sir, for joining in today and giving us this opportunity to represent your brand through our. Dear friends, thank you so much for registration, getting into this particular webinar. Do reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838. Share your feedback, suggestion at the same number. The entire team of Franchise India would be happy to help you with the maximum business solutions. And you want more guidance, more inputs, more suggestions from the management team of Franchise India, it's very easy to get it. Just connect with them at their LinkedIn platform. The link for connecting at the LinkedIn platform is given on your screen, so do join them. And today are under our Bharat Franchise Show, which will start at 7 p.m. This is a digital show again by us, where we are bringing 5 top definite business opportunities for Dehradun market. Today we are celebrating Dehradun chapter to get more information, to have a digital interaction with these founders, these companies, please do registration either at our business hotline number, or you can go to Facebook page where we have shared the registration link. Do registration right now.